Want to start working as a freelancer but don't know where to begin? Here's a list of freelancing platforms that are great for beginner remote workers. These platforms offer a variety of remote job opportunities, making it easier for you to get started in the world of remote freelancing. Fiverr, a popular platform where freelancers can offer services at various price points starting from $5. Best for beginners who want to offer services in specific categories like graphic design, writing, digital marketing, and programming. Fiverr allows you to start small and build your reputation through client reviews, making it easier to gain momentum. Upwork, one of the largest freelancing platforms, offering a wide range of job categories. Best for beginners looking for diverse job opportunities in areas like writing, design, development, and customer support. Upwork has a large variety of job listings, and you can start with smaller tasks to build your reputation and profile. Freelancer.com, another large platform where freelancers can bid on projects in areas like software development, writing, and design. Best for beginners looking for short-term or long-term freelance projects. It offers a wide variety of jobs and an easy entry point with lower competition for smaller projects. PeoplePerHour, a freelancing platform that focuses on connecting clients with freelancers for hourly or project-based jobs. Best for beginners offering services in digital marketing, content writing, design, and web development. PeoplePerHour offers hourlies, fixed-price tasks, allowing you to showcase skills with less risk. Toptal, a more exclusive platform that connects clients with top 3% freelancers. Best for beginners experienced in software development, design, and finance who are willing to take a screening test. Though competitive, Toptal offers high-paying projects once you make it through their vetting process. Guru, a platform that allows freelancers to showcase their work and bid on projects. Best for beginners looking for long-term projects in writing, design, and development. It has a user-friendly interface and offers a variety of tools to manage projects and payments. SolidGigs. Unlike other platforms, SolidGigs curates and sends top freelance jobs directly to your inbox. Best for beginners who prefer curated job listings rather than searching through hundreds of job postings. It saves time by bringing the best freelance jobs to you, so you can focus on applying instead of hunting for work. Remotive, a job board that specializes in remote work. It includes freelance and full-time remote positions across industries like tech, design, customer support, and marketing. Best for beginners who are looking for remote work specifically and want to filter job searches based on specific criteria. Remotive curates a wide variety of remote jobs, which means you can easily find remote work opportunities without having to search through other platforms. We Work Remotely focuses specifically on remote job listings. It includes a wide range of freelance and full-time opportunities, including programming, design, writing, and marketing. Best for beginners who are specifically looking for remote freelance work across various fields. It curates job listings to include only remote positions, making it easier for you to find work that aligns with your desire to work remotely. FlexJobs, a platform dedicated to remote, flexible, and freelance job listings across a wide range of industries. Best for beginners who want access to verified remote jobs and are willing to pay for a subscription to get higher quality listings. FlexJobs is known for offering legitimate remote job opportunities, which can help you avoid scams and find quality remote freelance gigs. These platforms are ideal for remote workers just starting, as they provide entry-level opportunities, tools for building your reputation, and often feature curated job listings to make the process of finding remote work easier. Each offers different types of opportunities, so you can choose one based on your skills and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.